Let's make this colorful text effect in Illustrator.
Also, if you want to learn how to make all these videos here in these examples and push your skills to the next level, I launched my Patreon page where I uploaded a bunch of these advanced tutorials. If you want to check them out, you can click the link in the description and access Patreon premium content, where you can access a bunch of high quality images and tutorials.
Select the type tool, type in whatever you want, press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it up, right click on the text, create outline, right click on the text again, on group, and I'm gonna select the letter P. I'm gonna go to the gradients and I'm gonna select the Freeform Gradient. And as you can see, it's gonna add some dots where you can basically reposition them and double click, and where you can choose new colors. I'm gonna customize them. From here, I'm gonna select the rest of the letters. I'm gonna select the eyedropper tool and click on the letter P. So it's gonna copy paste the colors to the rest of the letters. Select all the letters and search for the knife tool. This is it. And I'm gonna go all over the letters like this in a wavy style. And it's going to cut the letters in a couple of pieces, and it's going to mess up the gradients a little bit, but you can recustomize them however you like. For example, I'm going to select this one, I'm going to press the letter G, and I can add more circles, double click and recolor them. I think this looks really girly, dude. But anyways, and keep customizing the colors till you're satisfied. I'm going to leave it like this, and thanks for watching.